Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the Perplexity AI group, and the member of this group is me, Roy Maxim Marzuki, as moderator, and Nisa Aulia, Putri Septiani, and the last is Nadia Apriliani. In this occasion, we will discuss about the application that we have choose. This is Perplexity AI, and the submaterial of this topic uh, is it about describing JSON application, reviewing concept of artificial intelligence in the application, explaining how to use the AI application in education, and the last performing each step in performing the application in education. Can you next slide? Okay. For the first topic, is it about describing JSON application, and this topic will be beginning by introduction. Perplexity AI is technology based on AI, artificial intelligence. The way it works is the same as search engine or search engine on the internet, but in the form of chatbot and based on artificial intelligence technology. Can you next slide? And the features of Perplexity AI is it search engine. This feature is the main feature of Perplexity, which is very helpful for its user. Whatever question you ask, this chatbot will be answered directly and accurate. Apart from that, this chatbot is also designed to provide answers accompanied by searching from media on the internet. And the other feature is inclusion of search results. Perplexity AI is equipped with a source curation feature, where every answer cited by Perplexity will be displayed in the search result. Thus, this will add credibility to the answer. And also in Perplexity, we can edit the question. The user can edit question until they get a satisfactory answer. This certainly help us to get accurate and credible answer. And the last feature is it about threads. For users who often use Perplexity AI on their computer, it can be used on external Google Chrome. This will make it easier for us when they want to operate Perplexity. And Perplexity can also be operated as social media because of the threads feature. With this feature, user can share threads and interact with the other user. Can you next slide? And the benefit from this AI is faster in loading answer. Perplexity AI model plays pivotal role in enhancing their efficiency and effectiveness. One of its key benefits lies in its capacity to enable faster loading answer. By optimizing Perplexity, AI system can swiftly process vast amounts of data, decipher complex pattern, and generate response with greater speed and accuracy. And the other benefit from Perplexity is more complete and detailed in providing answer. Through the optimization of Perplexity AI, a system can delve deeper into the data interests, enabling a more nuanced understanding of complex patterns and information. This enhancement facilities and generation of answers that are not only accurate but also more complete and detailed. And also, Perplexity AI model represent a pivotal asset in enhancing credibility by integrating multiple sources from the internet into its search capabilities. By optimizing Perplexity, AI system can tap into a diverse array of credible sources across the web. And Perplexity AI model contributes significantly to reducing by application size, enabling more efficient and streamlined use. By optimizing Perplexity, AI system can enhance their compression techniques, allowing for retention of complex pattern and information with a smaller framework. Can you next slide? Beside benefit, we have challenges in this uh, operate Perplexity AI. Purpose is AI database until the end of 2022. One of the significant challenges associated with optimizing Perplexity AI models lies in the limitation of database use until the end of 2022. The effectiveness of Perplexity relies heavily on the richness and depth of dataset it was trained on. With AI database frozen at the end of 2022, newer information and evolving trends post 2022 might not be integrated into models understanding. And the challenges is not yet available in Play Store. An ongoing challenge in optimizing Perplexity with AI models is limited accessibility due to its unavailability on platforms like the Play Store. The complexities involved in fine-tuning Perplexity to enhance AI capabilities often lead to a delay in making these optimized models readily available to general public through popular app store. And the last challenge is process information slower than GPT 3.5 version. One of the precision challenges in perfecting Perplexity with AI model is its tendency to process information at a slower pace compared to earlier version like GPT 3.5. While optimizing Perplexity is vital for improving accuracy, comprehension, and depth of responses. This enhancement often comes at the cost of processing speed. Can you next slide? Okay, maybe that's all about the discussion about describing JSON application. And the next topic is it about reviewing concept of artificial intelligence in the application. This topic will be developed by Nisa Auliatus Sadia. Please, your time.
Okay. For the next is reviewing concept of artificial intelligence in the applications. As we know that technology of AI or artificial intelligence uh, experiences massive developments from year to year, and it presents with new features, functions, and appearance increasingly has an impact on many aspects of human life, uh, including in the education. Artificial intelligence is starting to play a role in and is becoming a and this certainly has explicit in the future. And so here there are various things that can be done to apply AI in learning activities as time progress demands for all fields, including education, to adapt and collaborate to solve problems. And for the first is visual mentor. So the now universal internet was created as a means to spread information, knowledge, and uh, to on various topics. One program that runs alongside the lab system, which operates more as a multimedia environment with integrated e-learning, is Virtual Mentor. According to a Journal of Computer Information System paper, the Virtual Mentor feature is more useful than regular classroom instructions. And for the second is voice assistant. So, in voice assistant, the users can learn without having to read text to the voice assistant feature, voice replacement. And when in the classroom, this feature speeds up students' search for additional materials. The existence of a voice assistant also makes it possible for students to get transparent and accurate information. And the third is smart content. An application called Smart Content offers data such as weather reports, latest news, alarms, and stock market trading reports. And these functions provide the latest reading material from newly released books as well as information searched according to the needs covered in the education sector. For the fourth is presentation translator. So a presentation translator or presentation so the presentation translator is useful for explaining or presenting a text from a different language into the desired language. And here the users only need to listen to various kinds of speech text, articles, or digital books without having to read and translate them one by one. And this technology allows users to listen to foreign language bits or sentences in their native language. Next slide. So, and then what is Perplexity? Perplexity is a chatbot, an intelligent search engine that use artificial intelligence, natural language processing, and machine learning to offer exact and complete responses to user inquiries. This tool searches the internet using advanced technology to provide real-time information on various topics. The user-friendly interface ensures smooth navigation, empowering users to find the information they need quickly and efficiently. And Perplexity also is an innovative search engine that leverage large language models or LLMS to provide accurate and reliable answer to complex questions. It uses OpenAI GPT 3.5 models and Microsoft Bing search engine to summarize search results and provide user with answer to their queries. It also complete with citations, so that platform is backed by X Ventures and has already raised 1 million in funding. Next slide. So here are some benefits of Perplexity in education. The first is homework assignment. Uh, it recommended to students as a tool for homework research, uh, ensuring they have access to reliable information. And the second is for test preparations. The questions we ask will be answered in the detail. This is suitable for us to use when we are going to do a test. And we can ask many things relate to the anything. Next slide. So the conclusion from the perplexity that Perplexity AI is a powerful tool that can help users find information on a wide range of topics. It is an excellent resource for students, researchers, and anyone else who needs to find accurate and comprehensive answer to their queries. I think that's all from me, and I will give back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you, Nisa, for the explanation. And we move to the next topic. It is about explaining how to use the AI application in education. This material will be presented by Nadia Apriliani. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you to moderator. So here I will explain about how to use the AI application in education. Can you next slide, please? Okay, begin with introduction. Perplexity AI can be used for citation, research, and sources by asking specific questions, looking at sources, checking their credibility, and using it with other research tools. It can help you understand a topic well, find better information, and improve your research in school and at work. Also, Perplexity AI is an excellent tool because it has advanced algorithm that can handle large amounts of data, understand understand context, give a coherent answer, and use tools machine learning technique. Next slide, please. Okay, so here there is 3 point, 3 point use case. The first is in the classroom. Second is homework assignment, and then the last is test preparation. So how Perplexity can be used in contact classroom, homework assignment, and test preparation. So here I will explain one by one. The first is in the classroom. Facilitate discussion by posing questions to Perplexity AI and discussing its answer with students. It can be making lesson more interactive. Okay, so when classes are facilitated various facility with various facilities that encourage students to be smarter, it will clearly make learning more effective. Example include AI facilities. Learning will also be more helpful and open wider horizon. Student and teacher will participate freely to express what they think. And then that student and teacher are more open-minded and think critically. And then the next there is homework assignment. This is highly recommend to students as a tool for homework research, ensuring they have access to reliable information. Yeah, this is also, of course, very helpful for students to their homework. As we already know, studying all day is quite tiring for some people, right? So therefore, AI offers convenience to help our work. We can find all the information we want to look for on certain websites. And then the last is test preparation. The question we ask will be answered in detail. This is suitable for us to use when we are going to do a test. We can ask many things related to anything. Yeah, and also for test preparation. Everyone nowadays is probably familiar with digital libraries. They can search as they like for the books they want to prepare for the test they will take. Also for practice question that we want to do. When we encounter a problem that we don't know the answer to, maybe we can look for it in the Perplexity application. Next slide. Okay, so the next there is implementation. There is 3 points here. The first is Perplexity AI can be implemented in school as a conversational AI tool that can enhance teaching and learning experiences. When we implement this application in learning and teaching, believe me, everything will feel easy. As I said before, the class will be more interactive, and also we as a teacher will have more new ideas to create exciting classes. And then the second point is Perplexity AI can also be used to reduce teacher workload by automating administrative tasks, grading, and lesson planning. One of the advantages of implementing this application in the classroom is that the teacher does not need to think about how can prepare a lesson plan with great difficulty. Teachers only need to ask for recommendation from this application for fun and interesting lesson plan, especially for us as prospective teachers. This application can be a recommendation. And then the last point is Perplexity AI is a versatile tool that can assist various professions like researchers, writer, artists, musicians, and programmers in multiple tasks such as answering questions, generating text, writing creative content, and summarizing text. So in a sense, this application is not only usable for student or teacher, but this application is also very useful for all profession. Next slide. The conclusion for my explanation is, in summary, Perplexity offers students and educators a versatile and efficient tool for research, learning, and enhancing educational content. Maybe that's all for me. I will give back to moderator. Thank you.
Okay, Nadia, thank you for the explanation. And the next topic it is about how to use Perplexity AI, and this topic will be presented by Putri Septiani. Time is yours.
Okay. Step for using Perplexity AI is first, you can download it at Play Store, and you can open it in web. After you open the Perplexity AI, you can directly register or log in using your email. So next, to ask the model of a question, simply type in your request in the search bar and click the blue arrow. Use natural language when asking questions. And next, you can ask another question using the ask a follow-up bar below. To edit your originally query instead, click the edit query button and reword your question. Uh, a video demonstration will follow after this presentation. And the troubleshooting of Perplexity AI is first, it's better to use English because if you ask in another language, Perplexity will definitely answer in English. And second is Perplexity always provides, but sometimes the sources are found to be inconsistent when checked. So you have to check more carefully before using the answer from Perplexity. In conclusion, Perplexity AI is quite helpful for students who use it, especially since Perplexity has provided a direct source, so we can check directly with that source. But as I said before, sometimes the source from Perplexity is not accurate, so we have to be more careful and be careful in checking it before selecting the source. Okay, I will give back to moderator.
Okay, thank you, Putri Septiani, for the explanation. Maybe that's all from us, the discussion from us about Perplexity AI, and we apologize for every mistake. The last word, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First, open Play Store application and then type Perplexity AI and click install button. Once installed, click the open button and we will be taken to the registration page. And here we can register by our email account or Google account. And here I use my Google account. After successful registration, we create a Perplexity AI account. After completing create account, we can immediately use the AI. Click what you want to ask in Ask Anything bar and the AI will be processing it. We can see the source in the above and we can swipe it to see all the source. If we scroll down, it also provides the picks what we are questioned about. And below there is an arrow shaped side to share the result of AI answer. Next to it, there is a copy sign to copy the text. There is also a play to report if AI answer is not appropriate or defined. Below we can see there are several things related to what we are asking and we can click on them. If you want to ask again, we can type the question in the previous question bar and AI will process the question like the sent at the beginning. And now we try to open AI via the web and type Perplexity AI in the search bar. Click the link on the top and we will go directly to the AI page. We should log in first before using this AI, but here I don't log in first. Just like using AI in the application, we just type something we want to ask in the Ask Anything bar. The processing method is the same, maybe just a little different in appearance. For example, if on the web the sources are located in a row, if in the application you have to swipe to the side. Then if we scroll down, there is also text and image, slightly different from the application. On this website, we can change our question by clicking the right sign. Also, next to it is a not sign to copy the text. There is also a three dot to see the list of sources and a flag to report errors. Also on the left there is the word rewrite, which has the same meaning as the right sign on the right, and next to it there is the word share to share the result of the AI answer. And that's how to download and use Perplexity AI. Thank you.